How to recover Telegram account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this trick to work, it is quite mandatory that you have saved your password with Google, otherwise this trick will not work. So let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your emails on your device, then click on the top right hand side corner of your profile icon, and here just select any of the email where you have saved the Telegram password, and then click on this option of manage Google account. Now here, simply scroll down and search for security at the top. Under security, simply scroll down till the very end, and here you would be able to find this option of password manager. Simply click on manage passwords, and Telegram will appear over here if you have saved your password of Telegram using Google. Simply click on it, and this way you would not require your phone number or email address and you would be able to log in, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.